This is me, Tim Jackson, looking at my father trying to put where his water pump should go.
Oh no, we're not doing the water pump now.
Well, the hose. Do you have any words?
Nope, not yet. I think though we do have a perfect fit
A perfect fit where?
for the hose. Here it is right here, and if you look right down in there, you see the hose that looks just like it.
You see it, guys? This is incredible. I'm zooming in. There it is, the hose.
Can you back up a little bit? Maybe you can get a good work. Look at the way that these things start.
Oh, this might be good. Ooh, look at all these vibrations. Ooh. You see it moving? Oh, look at this. What is this? You might want to know. Daddy, what is that thing of a jig moving right there?
That's the serpentine belt there, son. That's what it's called. That's what makes your home, baby.
And what's this AutoCAD? And what is this baby right here? This baby.
That's the battery.
Battery. So this must be the engine.
Oh, the whole thing is considered the engine.
Ooh.
Look, we got the right hose. We got the water pump.
Where's the water supposed to fit?
I believe, if I'm correct, the water pump is going to go right about there.
You hear that, folks? He said it's probably going to be just right there.
There's a little fart to go for the rest. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, we might need to back up.
Because it's going to be a stinky.
Ooh, let's get this perfect fit. I hate you. So, but do you have any words now?
Can't wait to get this stuff on there.
And
Pick up your bullets out of the yard. Eureka! Perfect fit.
Everybody, we got a good fit. We got a good fit for Daddy's car.